Well, Uber has officially lost a bid to overturn the state's gig working law, and the California Supreme Court is up next. So Uber, they're losing big time. And of course, this is over the massive multi-year case going on where Uber wants to keep drivers independent, pay them less, do no paid time off, no paid sick leave, no overtime pay, and no minimum wage, nothing like that, and no protections, right? The California government and other state governments are trying to step in so that drivers can simply get paid enough money to live comfortably, and obviously Uber does not want that to happen because they're a multi-billion-dollar corporation. Uber CEO makes $40 million a year. You know, they don't want to give up their precious profitability statements where they can, you know, keep drivers underpaid and so they can rake in millions of dollars in profits a year. Okay, before we jump in, if you're looking for a new way to make money, there's an incredible opportunity. Probably the easiest opportunity right now to make money is right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is one of my channels that I've been making over 10,000 bucks a month. In the past year, I made over 130 grand, some months making 30 grand, 20 grand. If you want to learn how to do this, I have a link below showing you guys how to do it. I've taught several of my own friends how to do it in my own life. And actually one of my friends, I asked her, hey, can you send me a little screenshot of how much money you've made? This was her page and she said, oh, I made this in the first year and a half. She made over $300,000. She had never even, you know, made a YouTube video. And in fact, she never showed her face one time on the channel. And she made all this money. And she made more too. So if you want to learn how to do it, check out my link below. But not only that, when you sign up for it, there's a 30-day free trial right now. So you can literally sign up, try it out for 29 days. And if you don't like it, you can cancel it. So I think it's a pretty good deal. Try it out. And hey, who knows, you know, maybe you'll make some money with it. For me, it changed my life. I was broke, depressed. I felt like I was struggling. I always tell people I felt like I was drowning because I was in so much debt. The faceless YouTube channel method helped me. Maybe it'll help you. And it allowed me to buy this house. All right, Uber is going up to the Supreme Court next. Uber lost its long-running attempt to overturn a California law that would require it to provide employment rights to its drivers and delivery workers. The ruling by the 9th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals could have major implications depending on what the state Supreme Court decides in a separate but related case. Uber and Postmates, a food delivery program Uber now owns, alleged that Assembly Bill 5 violated their rights under the Equal Protection Clause of the state and U.S. constitutions. AB 5 requires ride-hailing and delivery companies to treat their workers as employees instead of independent contractors and codifies the so-called ABC test to determine which workers should receive benefits. Under the law, other gig companies are subject to a different test, which Uber and Postmates claimed was unfair. Whoa, so this is massive, guys. Uber has lost this bid. So that means drivers could actually be getting a massive pay raise because the Supreme Court is probably going to step in and be like, yeah, these drivers are working 80 hours a week and they're not getting overtime pay. They're getting no stipend for gas. They have to use their own car. Like, these drivers they get no paid time off. They can't even get benefits to go to the doctor. Guys, the Supreme Court is going to be like, in no world does this make sense. So drivers could be getting a massive pay raise and they could actually force Uber to pay all drivers who worked over 40 hours a week, overtime pay, time and a half, all that time you put in. This could be a massive bonus. So I'll keep you guys up to date with that. But before we end the video, again, if you're looking for a new way to make money, check out the links below. We have 3 programs now. They're all programs I created. The first one is TikTok Shop. Again, the past year I brought in over 10,000 bucks a month, guys. This is legit. Like, I've been making over $1,000, sometimes $1,000 a day. And this is YouTube, you know, this is like, you know, you're watching YouTube. You guys know how it works. This is 2023. I brought in over 120 grand. That was last year. So check out the link below. Oh yeah, the next one is TikTok Shop. If you want to learn how to make money on TikTok Shop, I'm also making, you know, good money on TikTok Shop. I don't, just to be clear, I don't make as much money on TikTok Shop as I do on YouTube, but I make good money on TikTok Shop as well. I've made over $1,000 a day on TikTok Shop. So if you want to try that out, hey, you know what? Maybe you guys you like TikTok better than YouTube. And the last one is Shopify drop shipping. I have a course down below there as well to teach you how to set up your own drop shipping store. I do drop shipping as well. And you can actually integrate it with TikTok too to sell them right on TikTok. So check those links out below. Those are 3 ways that I think, you know, if you try out all 3, I'm pretty sure you're gonna find one to make money with that's gonna work for you. Because everybody's mind works differently, right? We're all different. We're all different humans. So that's why we go to school and we try to figure out, you know, what job we want to work. What do we want to do this? I know me, I haven't worked a normal job in over 5 years. I don't plan on ever working a normal job ever again in my whole life. So check those links out. Otherwise, guys, talk to you soon. Bye now.